What's going on, guys? Hold on. Move you up here a little bit. Alright, trying to fiddle with the angles here. First you were too low. You're almost staring at my neck. Then you're way too high. Now you're just right, I think. The lighting's not great, but it is what it is. So today I have a can of soda, or pop, as some of you say. I got this from work. There's a chick at work who, we talk about food all the time. She turned me on to a restaurant that I went to check out, which was really good. She's a foodie, and so she hooked me up with a can of Fanta. I haven't actually even seen this before. This is a Beetlejuice Fanta. So it says official Beetlejuice movie partner. It's funny because it says it twice, but not 3 times. We're smart enough not to say 3 times. Spiced apple soda. That's it. It's called Haunted Apple from Fanta. This is ice cold. Unfortunately, it's a tight can. I dropped this. I was coming in. I had other stuff in my hands from work, and I dropped it. So that was yesterday. I wanted to make sure I got it nice and cold. I got a glass here as well. We're gonna see what it looks like. But I just have a feeling like as soon as I pop this top, it's gonna want to spray everywhere. I don't want to make a mess. So if I jolt, it's because I'm running to the sink. We'll see. Okay. It has settled. Damn! That's apple. Apple. Damn again, look at that color. I know the lighting's not great here, but holy smokes, is that toxic green. Wow. Huh? Pretty good. Pour on that little head maybe. Little soda head, if you will. Did it fit the whole can? No. Okay. That's super green. Wow. Alright, I filled it too much. Definitely apple. It's weird when it's in the can, it was just straight like sour apple. And how it almost smells like a candy, like a caramel apple. Interesting. Anyway, going in. Cheers. Yeah, that is the most delicious apple soda I've ever had in my life. I don't know if they make a zero version of this. I've never even seen this before. I don't even know where she got the 12-pack. This is full sugar, 160 calories a can, worth every calorie. This is, wow. It's a depth of flavor. It's not just apple. It's sweet. It's definitely sweet. It tastes like apple. It tastes like caramel. It tastes like, it's almost like an apple, not really an apple pie because you don't have like the pie crust flavor, but like an apple dessert with caramel in there. I don't know how to explain it. It's so good. It's so delicious. Thank God I don't know where this is sold because I would definitely get some more. It really is that good. And it says spiced. You do taste those spices. This is really like, it's like fall in a cup. It is seriously the most delicious soda I've had in a very long time. If you like apple and you like the caramel thing, and oh my God, it's just so good. Wow. And the Beetlejuice thing is a bonus. Love Beetlejuice. Very excited for the new movie to come out. Who knows? We'll see what it's like. I mean, I'm sure it's going to be good. Nothing can ever beat, the original. That's such a classic movie. You can't make it better. It's just going to be more story, I guess. But, yeah. Holy smokes. Plus, the dad, I don't know the details, but I know that the dad from, not the good guy, the father, I'm trying to think of the actor's name. I forget. He's in a bunch of movies I actually really like. He's in Ferris Bueller's Day Off. He was the principal, the redhead guy. I'm pretty sure he got arrested for contacting an underage boy. So that's not, his career's gone. So he won't be back in the movie. It's just one of those things. But anyway, so yeah, the color is toxic green. I mean, It could not be more fake and artificial looking. Oh, it's like, man, it's so, the flavor is so good because it's such a balanced flavor. It doesn't taste artificial. It tastes like a real dessert with hot caramel, like melted caramel over a crisp, fresh apple and spices. It's just, it's perfectly balanced. It's not too spicy. It's not too appley. It's not too caramel. It's like the perfect blend. I can't explain. If you're someone who like loves fall and you love like, you get like candy corn and the Halloween thing, and you know, have like cinnamon pine cones in your fireplace, like you're that person, this is your drink, I'm telling you. Holy moly. It's wonderful. It's absolutely wonderful. It's a huge surprise. I would have liked just like a straight apple flavor, would have been cool. This was not expected at all. I thought it would just be apple. Haunted apple. No suggestion whatsoever that it would be caramel flavored apple. You know, like if you have a candy apple, but that doesn't have those good spices. So anyway, that's it. If that sounded good to you, please let me know if you try this, what you think of it. I think it is absolutely delicious. This would not be something you would drink with a meal. This is just like a treat, like a dessert. I'll leave it at that. If I could find this at a store, like a onesie twosie, like I can grab 2 or 3 cans, leave in the fridge, just have it as a dessert. It's worth it. It's less calories than most desserts, and it's absolutely delicious. I can sip on it and just really, really enjoy it. Wow. That's all I can say is wow. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Here's to the next Beetlejuice movie. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Please, again, if you try this, let me know down in the comment section what you think. You have to get it to try it. If you even remotely like apples or like soda, this is like a once-in-a-lifetime thing. I really have never had a soda that tasted quite like this. When you have like extravagant flavor, not extravagant, but complex flavors, let's say that. Complex flavors in sodas and alcohol, like beer and stuff, like all the craft beer flavor, you know, you expect one thing and it's like, no, it's not really that. Same thing with sodas, chips, all these different things, all these gimmicky flavors. This one just nailed it. This is the best, just the best version it could possibly be. So what a nice surprise with all those extra flavors besides the apple. But yeah, I mean, tons of food coloring. But delicious, I'll tell you that. So that's it. Christina's hanging over there. She's off camera, of course. Doesn't like to be on camera, which that's fine. Most people don't. But I'm going to shut the camera off and she's going to get the rest so she can enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.